In this video, I will show you how to create a business account on Gmail for free. So let's jump straight into it. So what you're going to want to do is open up a new internet browser and you want to navigate to gmail.com. Now, if you're currently signed into an account, if you've already got a Gmail account, if you come up to the top right hand corner and click onto your profile icon up here, and you want to come down to the very bottom and click onto add another account. So it's going to take you across to the sign in screen, and if you look at the bottom it says to create account. So what you want to do is click onto this and then select for work or my business. From here you're going to get two options. You've either got the free option, which is no cost, which gives you 15 gigabytes of storage, a Gmail email address, and you can use things like Google Meet, Drive and more integrations. In addition to that, there is a paid version as well, which gives you a professional email, which instead of being Gmail you can type a custom email and you get 30 gigabytes of storage and advanced features in Google Meet, Drive and more. So depending on the needs of your business will depend on which type of account you want to go for. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and set this up with Gmail. So I'm going to click onto this option here, and then it's going to ask you to enter your details. So what I'm going to do is just enter test account, and then click next underneath, and then it's going to ask you for your birthday. So you just want to enter your details into here and go ahead and fill this out. Next, what you want to do is enter your username, and this is also going to be used to create your Gmail address. So I'm just going to go ahead and put test business, and our Gmail address is going to be testbusiness@gmail.com. So once that's done, click next. Now, it might be the case that that's already taken, so you might have to just play about, just put some numbers in or some hyphens, and you can see that's now done. And then we're just going to go ahead and enter a password, and then click the next button. So if you want to, you can add a recovery email address. This is if you have any problems logging into your account or if you forget your details. So I'm just going to go ahead and enter that into here, and then click the next button underneath. You can skip this if you want. And finally, what you're going to want to do is add your phone number. Again, this step is optional, but I would recommend doing this as it does add an extra layer of security to your account. So what's now going to happen is you're going to receive a code if you've put your email in. So they're going to send you a quick verification code, which is 6 digits. So I'm just going to go ahead and enter that into the box, and then click the blue verify button. So the final thing to do is to choose whether you want to add your phone number to your account. So this will be used for things like video calls and messages. So again, depending on the needs of your business, you can choose whether you want to do this or not. If you want to skip this, you can do that, but I'm just going to go ahead and click yes, I'm in to add this to my account. So it's going to give you a quick review of your account information, and if you're happy to go ahead, click the blue next button. Now what you can do is choose an express personalization, which is going to deliver tailored content and ads. Or what you can do is do this manually. I would just recommend going with Express because it's just a bit quicker to set up, and you can change this at any time if you want by coming across to account.google.com. Go ahead and click next. And finally, what you need to do is just go ahead and agree to all the terms of service. So you just want to scroll down to the bottom and click confirm, and then again scroll down and click agree to all the terms of service. Now, once that's done, you can see your Google account is now ready, and now it's going to ask you to set up your business. So what you can do is you can click the blue continue button, and what you can do is add your business name. So again, I'm just going to call this one test business, and then click continue. And it's going to ask you to choose your business type. So you've got like online retail, local store, or a service business. So I'm going to click service business and click next. And it's going to ask you to enter a business category. So I'm just going to go ahead, and it's going to give you some options based upon what you put in. So I'm just going to change this to customs department in this example and click next. This next step is optional. It just asks where do you serve your customers. So if you add this, what it's going to do is add this to your business profile. So I'm just going to go ahead and put New York, and again it's going to come up with some recommendations down here. Now you can go ahead and choose what contact details you want to show to your customers. So you've got the option of a phone number and a website. So I'm just going to go ahead and put my phone number into here, and if you do have a website you can put that in the box down here as well, and then click next. And what you can also do is put your business on the map. So what it's going to do is add your business to Google Maps. So if you want to do that, you just want to go ahead and click continue. And then what you can do is enter your mailing address to verify your account. You don't have to do that just now. You can click verify later down at the bottom if you want to. And also you can add your business hours from here. So you can choose what time you're open and closed, and all this information is going to be displayed on your business profile. So I'm just going to skip this for now. And if you want to, you can add a messaging feature which will allow customers to message your business on Google. This is absolutely free, so you can choose whether to do this or not and click next. I'm just going to skip this. And again, you can add a business description. So I'm just going to put test and click next. All of these are optional as well. You can skip. So you can add photos as well, but I'm just going to skip this. And when you sign up for this, Google's going to give you a $500 free advertising credit. This might have changed when you're watching this video. It just depends if the offer is still there. I'm just going to go ahead and skip this, but you can claim that if you want to. And if you want to, you can turn on notifications for surveys and pilots, which means you're going to get email invites for business profiles that are associated with your account. So once that's all done, you're going to get a final step like this. Just go ahead and click continue. And that is everything done for you. So as you can see, we've now got our business email. If I come back to Gmail, as I say, if you do go with the paid option, you're going to be able to have a more personalized business email. So at the moment, you can see if I come up to the top right hand corner, it's testbusiness45321@gmail.com. But if you went with the paid version, it's going to give you the option to do something. So you could do like testbusiness@mybusiness.com or something like that, and connect it to a domain if you want to. So that's how to go ahead and create a business email account on Gmail. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.